Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to check and increase HDFC credit card limit. This tutorial is only for those who don't have a HDFC account. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Let's jump to the tutorial. First, visit this link and log in with username and password. After logged in, select Credit Limit Enhancement from left side. Select your card and continue. If you are eligible, your card increased limit will show here. Now check and enter limit and then select continue. Check this box and hit on confirm button. Here it will ask you to check registered mobile number to send an OTP. Hit on continue to receive OTP on registered mobile number. Type received OTP and again hit on continue. Now check limit increased or not. Select account information, then card and hit on view button. I hope this tutorial will help you. For more tutorials like this, subscribe this channel and hit like button to motivate me. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this.